What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today, man. We finally got our Road King all situated and everything with that, and we finally got a freaking corner full of parts, man. So it's time to see what we got, open up all our parts, see what we can change out on this thing, and hope for the best. Like I said, this thing should be pretty much like complete with the whole new look today. We're literally only waiting on a tire from what I think, and then a front fender. But all in all, man, I can't wait. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. My freaking garage is empty, bro. My cars and everything, man. We'll get to that in a little bit, but like I said, it's time to go up, man. Let's get this show started and we'll get you guys caught up to speed here real soon, man. Alrighty, guys, so if you guys aren't up to speed, we grabbed this, I believe it's a 2017 Road King with no ooh and ah effect right now, but like I said, we're gonna get it together. We got to take off this seat, change these freaking support brackets, throw the bags on. I believe we got new exhaust as well, so we got to take that old exhaust off, put the new exhaust on, new support brackets, change up a few things up here, and then when we come to the front, none of this stuff up here is damaged. However, I just wanted to flow with the black a little bit more because we do have something special for that front up there. Because if you guys look over here, we got something black and nice right there, so we got to clean that sucker up and get that thing mounted to the rear wheel, but that's a little bit down the line, man. So let's see what else we got over here with all these boxes, man. Let's start opening up stuff. Alrighty, guys, we got pretty much all our parts, I guess, unwrapped for now. We'll unwrap that wheel in a little bit, but here we go, all black nacelle for the front end. Make that thing all black up there. Here's our exhaust. We got black exhaust. We got to unwrap that, put that on there, and then I want the black to flow a little bit more, and then we're just going to change this thing up to a 114. You guys want a 114? This is the simplest thing to do right there. See that? Bow. So we got this black cover. I really only got it because it was black. And then of course our saddlebag support brackets right there. And then of course our black bags right there, man. So I'm actually probably about to start from the back to the front. We're gonna take off our support brackets, take off our seat, throw them support brackets on there, and then we're gonna put the exhaust and stuff on there as well. Take this exhaust off and get this thing situated, man. So y'all stay tuned. Let's get this show on the road, man. It might be pretty quick. Alrighty, guys, of course everything can't go as smooth as we wanted to, so we got our exhaust. However, I don't have that clamp that goes right there, and then I also need another rear fender support bracket, because if you guys see, that one is broke, well, not broke, but bent back there, and it's touching the tire, and we want that thing flush. So I got to go to Harley, get a clamp, a rear fender support bracket. These I have the whole, I took these off, like the shields, because I have new like black shields coming. They tried to deliver them yesterday apparently, and they couldn't deliver them, so that's why this looks like this, or else it'll be looking pretty much complete up here. But furthermore, I'm gonna snatch these bars off, because I did look in my other box and we have our bars right there, man. So I'm gonna snatch these bars off as well, and then I might want to mock up this front wheel on here. You never know, we'll see what happens. But we also do have our black nacelle and all that good stuff, so we'll see how it works out, man. Y'all stay tuned. We got the front end looking crazy right now, but had to get these bars switched out. About to go take them to get wired up, and then when we come back, we should be able to put our new black nacelle on there, and just see like how this thing is gonna come together, man. We're gonna see. I had some cups for this thing, but they didn't even send them out, man. So we're gonna have to do what we got. All right, man. So we just put up to the homie office right now. About to drop these bars off so they can get wired up. and then we'll get this show on the road. Alrighty guys, man, next day here. We finally got pretty much all of our other parts in, man. So we're gonna hop back on this bike, put our bars back on there, put our nacelle back on there, get our whole front end tidied up. Our tire actually came for our 21, so we gotta go find a motorcycle shop or a tire shop that's open today and see if we can get that tire mounted so we can finish this thing off and get this thing completed. But yeah, it's looking like we're still gonna be, looks like we're gonna start from the front to the back today. We usually start from the back to the front. I'm waiting on one little exhaust clamp, so by the time I guess I'll finish this, we should be able to go get that clamp and then finish this thing all the way off, man. In the meantime, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get this show on the road, see what we got, man. Alrighty guys, man, I was gonna start with the front, but when I came to the front, I realized that the bars that we got for this joint, you know, it's never, you know, when you order stuff off eBay, it's never gonna be 100% accurate most of the time, man. So the bars that we got, of course, are too big for our handlebar friggin' mount bracket or whatever you want to call it. So I gotta find another little piece, like another little bracket, so we can be able to fit those bars on there and get those bars and stuff and everything on there. But working on the rest of the bike, I got those black exhaust shields on there. Like I said, we wanted to change this bike up, make it a little bit more black. And then I do got the brand new bags on there, exhaust on there, a new back wheel as well. This side looks really good as well. Just see, looks really good as well. Like I said, we'll be changing out this front wheel, and then we also have a wraparound fender for it, man. So we're gonna try to get this tire on this 21, and then find some then find some handlebar little thingy-majiggers. I can't think of the name right now, but we got to go get this 21-inch tire mounted up on this 21-inch wheel right now, man. So let's see what's good. All right, now I know it looks kind of like junky in here right now, but all in all, we did get our 21-inch mounted up. Now it's time to throw this thing on the bike, because this front wheel right here is bugging the heck out of me, man. Bugging the heck out of me. So we're going to get this show on the road, man. Stay tuned. We're going to get this thing rocking, man. I can't wait. Well, that's cool. We got our front wheel on there now. Typically, these wraparound fenders I buy, they're usually like right on the tire. Now, I got a low profile tire this time, so we got like some space up there, but I actually could have went a little bit bigger on the tire here. However, now I know when I order this specific wraparound fender next time, I know I can get the 120/70 and not a tire that's like so thin, but still looks good all in all. Like I said, man, we have our bars right here. However, our freaking clamp size is a little too small to install the bars, or else we would have this bike pretty much finished today. But it looks like we're gonna have to go to our buddy shop, try to find a clamp. If not, we're gonna have to order one and see what's good. But so far, so good, man. Let's clean up and get this show on the road and see what we got rocking. And just like that, guys, we got this thing cleaned up. Everything ready to go. Now we can see our Road King and what it actually looks like without all the mess. So we got our old fender off, new fender on there, old wheel off, new wheel on there, 21 mounted up with the Big Daddy, of course. I guess I could probably take this little blue sticker off of there, huh? That'll be great. Then what else did we change? We changed our exhaust up. We went black on the exhaust. We went black on the intake air breather. So now we got the blackout kit going. We also went with the rear Talon wheel to match the front. We got brand new bags on this bad boy. brand new bags. And I mean, like I said, it's a Road King, so it's pretty simple, but I'm not gonna hold you. I'm mad as heck. I freaking couldn't put on them bars today just because the clamp size is different, but I do have the all black nacelle trimming, so this front end up here will look a whole lot better. Hopefully, if not tomorrow, the next day. But as for right now, it is looking good, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. Just something that we're doing, just a quick flip on, nothing too crazy, but it does look good. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. So alrighty guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We finally got our Road King pretty much all the way back together. Like I said, guys, we're only waiting on the clamp to put the bars on there, and then we'll be able to put the nacelle and the whole front end back together, and it'll be pretty much complete, man. We did everything else today, so now we're literally just waiting on that clamp for the bars, and that thing is gonna be on the road, ripping and running, man. I can't wait. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely appreciate it, man. You guys see all my freaking old school cars are not here right now, and that's because I sold them, man. I'm not even gonna lie. I got an offer I couldn't refuse, and I was like, you know what, come on down and get them, man. Come on down and get them. So the 87 giveaway is no more. The only thing we're giving away right now is our 2020 Road Glide and the Strawberry Lemon Drop. So we'll get this show together and more organized here in the next like episode or two, but right now I just want you guys to know, man, the old school cars are gone. They are sold. Like I said, I got an offer I couldn't refuse. So with that being said, man, we only got our bikes in, so that should speed up this giveaway a lot more, man. So with that being said, if you guys haven't already, man, head on over to everythingregular.com right now. Go get you anything on the website for a chance to win our 2020 Strawberry Lemon Drop Road Glide with all the oohs and ahs on it, man. You guys never know. Got our Road King back there. Some of y'all been waiting on the black Road King, man, and it is finally here, man. So with that being said, y'all stay tuned. Head on over to everythingregular.com right now. Go get it in while you can. I definitely appreciate y'all support. Until next time, man, I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.